We're going to do a day 23 update here on this Growell system. I still have the original water in it. I have running very low nutrients. You are seeing the good red color I'm getting in these plants. That's mainly because of the variety. You do get a lot of the nice color in the leaves. So that's variety specific. So all the plants in the middle here are all the same variety. Every single one popped up, and these here are different variety, old seeds, and you can see the old seeds are not doing well. So I really haven't done anything to the system. I do have the water running 24 hours a day. It just continue to circulate it. Kind of tricky to do here with one hand. So yeah, the roots look fantastic. They're pure white, so the roots are doing good for really me doing nothing with the system at all. So let's check the bottom row here. My main issue, like always, is always trying to get seeds to pop in any system. So this one didn't pop at all for the first week, so I put some different seeds in it. So I do have some cilantro going. My sunflower just started. It's a very slow growing plant. I did grow more cilantro. A lot of times I can't get cilantro to even grow in a hydroponic. I do prefer it in soil. And this one here, I started with sunflower in there, and it didn't pop. So then I put some old chive seeds in there, and that didn't pop either. More sunflower seeds. A lot of this I normally blame on my seeds because I always have too many, and they don't pop open. This is bull's blood. I'm mainly growing this one for my wife. That's what she likes. And you can see the roots even come in when they grow, pure red. Very interesting plant. This plant will get very tall, and I'll have to raise the light eventually. I do have my rainbow chard here that are doing fantastic. This one looks a little purple, and this is going to be more of a red color one. Then of course I have another rainbow chard that didn't grow at all, and I got one that turned out yellow color. And herbs, I always have a hard time. Of course I got a very thick dill, which I don't think will probably make it, but other than that, the system's working good. Haven't had any problems. My only question is when it comes time to clean this system and refresh the water, how I'm gonna actually drain the system out. It might be a little tricky. So no issues, but everything's just rolling along. I didn't want to overfill the system for the first grow to do a little test on it, so we'll do another update here in a couple weeks and see how all the slower plants down here are doing. See you for the next one.